Hey guys and girls, in this video we're going to take a look at the best camera for YouTube. I made this list based on my personal opinion and tons of research, and I've listed them based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we'll have the product for you in this list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Also, if you want a chance to win one of the YouTube cameras in the video, just subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell and leave a comment with the hidden word in the video. Okay, so without further ado, this is our pick of the best camera for YouTube on the market right now. Coming at number 10, we've got the Canon EOS M6 Mark II. If you are after a quality camera that will deliver great image quality and good saturated video with accurate colors and plenty of detail, Canon EOS M6 Mark II should be your weapon of choice. It is perfect for sports and overall action recording and offers a very practical, compact design with a great grip and flappable screen, which makes it a good option for people that are filming their own stunts and adventures. This camera has a microphone jack. It comes with good connectivity that includes Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and USB Type-C connection, and offers 14 frames per second burst shooting with AF/AE on. Number 9, Canon Rebel SLC. For all the newbies on YouTube or similar platforms, it is essential to find a camera that is both decent performing and affordable. And Canon Rebel SLC is exactly that, the best DSLR camera for YouTube. This camera offers fast and precise dual pixel autofocus. It is supplied with a quality 24.1 megapixel CMOS, APS-C sensor, and Digic 8 image processor. More importantly, it delivers sharp and color-accurate image in both video and photography. It is capable of 4K video at 24 frames per second and 1080p video capturing with 30 frames per second or 60 frame per second rate. Therefore, if a perfect 4K video image is your primary goal, better go for something else. Coming in at number 8, Sony RX1007. A high-quality picture is one of the most important aspects for many vloggers and YouTube content makers. There are not many cameras that can fully comply with their high standards. However, one of the devices that do is a Sony RX1007. This is a compact camera that delivers a very detailed and clear video image. The device offers great versatility and is very practical for a variety of purposes: photography, action, video recording, etc. Therefore, you won't have to limit its use just to YouTube or similar services. Overall, Sony RX1007 is one of the best cameras for YouTube with great versatility and usability, but unfortunately only for those who are willing to pay its high price. Coming at number 7, GoPro Hero 8 Black. If you're looking for the best YouTube camera on the market and you are not that limited with your budget, GoPro Hero 8 is without a doubt one of the best options that there are. Equally important, GoPro Hero 8 is great for live streams of full HD videos. Comes with a GoPro app that allows for easy smartphone editing and supports for 4K video capturing at 60 frames per second, 2.7K video capturing at 120 frames per second, and 1080p recording at 240 frames per second rate. All in all, for everyone looking for a great tool for YouTube videos, vlog, and have an action camera, GoPro Hero 8 is a superb choice. Number 6, Panasonic Lumix G95. Although it doesn't represent too much of an update over its predecessor, this camera still has a lot to offer. It has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connection. It is equipped with both microphone and headphone jack, and has a flippable 3-inch LCD screen. Panasonic Lumix G95 supports ISO from 200 to 25,600 and offers numerous features such as color modes, photo styles, and clever 4K live cropping. It allows for smooth pans and zooms. More importantly, it allows for 30 frames per second, 20 frames per second, or 24 frames per second 4K video capturing, and 60 frames per second, 120 frames per second for 1080p video capturing. To simplify, Panasonic Lumix G95 is a great YouTube camera that simply won't disappoint you. Coming in at number 5, Sony Alpha A6400. Sony Alpha A6400 is another high-quality camera with great versatility and usability that makes it perfect for YouTube broadcast, vlogging, or any similar type of video streaming. However, although great, A6400 also has a couple of downsides: the lack of in-body stabilization, as well as the lack of headphone connection. Nevertheless, there is a microphone input, so the fans of high-quality audio are perfectly safe. Sony Alpha A6400 offers Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and NFC connection, and is fitted with a high-quality 425 PT phase detection autofocus that, in a combination with real-time tracking, does a great job of providing crystal clear image. Altogether, if the best mirrorless YouTube camera is what you're looking for, Sony Alpha A6400 is a great choice. Coming in at number 4, Nikon D3500. Just starting your YouTube channel? Then we have something special for you. Nikon 3500 would be a great starting point for any novice in the field of photography or filmmaking. This camera offers a special in-camera guideline which will help you make the first steps in taking top-notch shots and videos. Nikon D3500 is a nice camera for traveling, as it is one of the smallest and lightest Nikon DSLR cameras. This camera is also equipped with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, so if you want to share your photos with friends, you can do it immediately after taking shots. But keep in mind that you need SnapBridge app for this. Number 3, Fujifilm XT30. Fujifilm XT30 supports for 4K video capturing in various frame rates, from 24 frames per second to 30 frames per second, and 1080p capturing in frame rates from 24 frames per second to 60 frames per second. But more importantly for that purpose, it uses the whole width of the sensor. However, its 4K capturing is limited to only 10 minutes, which may present an issue for many. On the other hand, this camera supports 10-bit 422 output and F-Log that is pretty rare for its class, and is fitted with a USB-C port with headphone support and an SD card slot. This is a great camera and definitely one of the best YouTube cameras, of course, if you can handle its limitations. Coming in at number 2, Olympus Top TG6 Waterproof. If you're looking for an affordable but tough little dude that will withstand any sort of torturing and provides waterproof, dustproof, and crushproof characteristics that will help you capture your every stunt or underwater adventure, Olympus Top TG6 is the camera for you. Olympus Top TG6 can capture 4K videos in 30 frames per second rate, 1080p videos at up to 60 frames per second rate, and offers 3 slow motion modes that allow for 1080p recording with 120 frames per second rate, 720p with 240 frames per second rate, and 480p with 480 frames per second. However, all these videos are cropped, therefore your wide-angle coverage will surely suffer. If you're searching for great durability and overall best underwater action camera for YouTube, Olympus Top TG6 is the ultimate choice. Number 1, Sony A7 III. The Sony A7 III is a top-notch mirrorless camera which provides excellent video recording and shooting. It is designed with 24.2 megapixel 35mm Exmor CMOS full-frame back illuminated image sensor. This Sony camera has also got an interchangeable lens and a wide ISO range of up to ISO 51200, which can get even more expandable for stills, up to 204,800. Its autofocus system is fast and updated. Sony A7 III has a hybrid AF with 693 phase detection and 425 contrast detection AF points. There is also a shooting speed of 10 frames per second and an option of phase detection focusing. Sony A7 III provides 4K video recording as well as 5-axis image stabilization to smooth all the blurs. This model has weather sealing and also features as Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and NFC connectivity. Its articulating touchscreen makes this camera easy and comfortable to use. For us, it's the top camera for creating content. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide for the best cameras for YouTube. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one. And if you like this content, don't forget to subscribe and get notified when we launch new videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.